So now, secrets. Share them.
What secrets?
Your secrets. One secret. When you do a video with me, you have to share a secret.
Since when?
Hey guys, welcome back to Mundo Rosa. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and do turn on your notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload something new. Today I'll be using my brother as a model to show you guys how to style men's hair. So this idea came from Harriet. By the way, thank you so much, girl. So Harriet suggested that I style one of my male friends' hair, and this is what I will be doing in today's video. The items you're gonna need are a water spray bottle, anti-checky, curl custard, or any other brand of curling cream, pudding, or gel that you use, and also assorted combs, including a white tooth comb. I also use coconut oil, just for the scalp to not be dry and to moisturize the hair as I was styling it. So you might need coconut oil or any oil of your preference. So I will be twisting his hair part by part. Remember to be gentle. We don't want it to break. We just want to take good care of it. So what I usually do is I part the hair, I spray some water so it's manageable, and I pass the comb through it as well, kind of like detangling it. And then I add the cream, just a little bit of it, and then I do the twists.
I will never leave your side though. It's looking I go like a light so. Me and you go organize so. In my padana oh. Anyway you want me I go. Vou fazer valer tua vida cada 24 horas. Só nos meus beijos. Calor dos meus braços. Prometo que vai ser feliz.
It's now 3 a.m. guys. 3 a.m. This dude was sleeping. So he spent the night with the twists, and right now we are going to remove them so you guys can see the final results. Stay tuned. So this is what it looks like after one eye. You can see.
So now that it's removed, we are going to make my hair a bit wet and I shake it off so that it gets that shape we're looking for.
final result. As you can see, the curls are popping. They kind of look like coils. So if you want the curls to be more defined, the twists are going to have to be a little bit thinner than the ones I did on him. And also the other thing is, as the days go by, it's going to be fluffier, like it's just going to get more volume, and the curls will most likely maintain. For the guys that want to let their hair grow out, I think this is a pretty cool hairstyle that you can try to do it on yourself. And if you have a hard time doing the twist, you can always ask, you know, somebody else to twist them for you, and then you can at least remove them yourselves, and then you just have to shake your head till it falls down. If there's anything else that you'd like me to do, or any other hairstyle, be it for girls or for boys, just hit me up, send a DM, let me know, or actually leave it in the comment box down below. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, leave a big thumbs up, and share this video with your friend. And if it actually helps you, do let us know. Would like to know. Thank you so much for being a part of Mundo Rosa, and bye. Stay blessed. So now, secrets. Share them.
What secrets?
Your secrets.
What secrets?
You need to share at least one secret on the video.
For what?
For the people. One secret. When you do a video with me, you have to share a secret.
Since when?
Share a secret with the rest of the world.
I'm left-handed.
Oh yeah, it's true. He's left-handed. That's. I know like a lot of left-handed people.